Darshan Thugudeepa, fixed actor Darshan's operation date. Anyway, the date for Darshan Thugudeepa's surgery is fixed. Finally, Darshan agreed to undergo the operation. His interim bail period will be completed in a few days, and by then the date of surgery has also been fixed. If Darshan undergoes surgery, the interim bail period will be extended. Yes. Actor Darshan Thugudeep, who was in Bellary jail in the Chitradurga Renukaswamy murder case, had been advised by the doctor that he should get surgery soon for his back pain or else he might be paralyzed. The court had granted 6 weeks interim bail to him. Darshan's interim bail period ends on 11th December. But still Darshan has not done the surgery. His lawyer has been telling the court that his BP is high, so he cannot undergo surgery. Advocate C.V. Nagesh argued for Darshan and gave the reason that Darshan could not undergo the operation due to fluctuating BP. Advocate Prasanna Kumar strongly objected to this. Usually, whoever comes to the hospital, they are given pills, BP controlled and operated. So why is this not possible in Darshan's case? Darshan asked sarcastically whether he was preparing him for the operation by combing his head and applying powder. When is Darshan's surgery? After hearing the argument, the court adjourned the hearing to Monday. So the plan is to do Darshan operation today or tomorrow. Darshan cannot be sent to jail if the operation is done. Thus the court can extend the bail. Darshan seems to think that the interim bail can be extended by this. If the surgery is not done, it is difficult for the court to listen to Darshan's lawyers repeatedly. Interim bail may be dismissed. Thus, Darshan has to undergo an operation. Darshan has applied for bail several times after coming out of jail. But only the court has not granted bail. Whatever reason Darshan gave, the court rejected it. So Darshan going to jail is fixed. Darshan will have to go back to jail after the interim bail period is over. But Darshan continues to do whatever it takes to avoid going to jail. When it was difficult for them to get bail, they agreed to the surgery. It is said that this may be the plan to stay out of jail for a few days. All in all, it is only true that Darshan has no choice but jail or surgery. Which one will be chosen will be known clearly in the next 2 days.